Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of replacing the cooling fan in your MSI MS16R1 laptop. This is a crucial maintenance task that helps prevent overheating and ensures your device runs smoothly. Before we start, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. It's essential to have a clean, well-lit workspace to keep track of screws and components. First, power off your laptop and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if applicable. This step is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the laptop's internal components. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back cover of the laptop. Make sure to place the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. There are typically around 10 screws, so be patient and meticulous. Once all the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors while doing this. After the cover is removed, take a moment to clean the internal area with compressed air to remove any dust buildup, which can affect cooling performance. Now, locate the cooling fan. It is usually situated near the heatsink. Disconnect the fan's power cable from the motherboard by carefully lifting the connector. If you're unsure, refer to your laptop's service manual for clarity. Next, remove the screws that hold the fan in place. In most cases, there are 3 screws that need to be unscrewed. Keep them together with the back cover screws for easy reassembly. With the screws removed, you can gently lift the fan out of its compartment. Take this opportunity to clean the area around the fan and heatsink, ensuring there is no obstruction to airflow. Now, take your new cooling fan and place it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and aligns with the screw holes. Reattach the screws to secure the fan in place. Then, connect the fan's power cable back to the motherboard. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with the entire process. After the fan is securely in place, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully align the back cover and press down gently until you hear the clips snap back into place. Replace all the screws that you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened properly. Once everything is assembled, reinsert the battery if applicable and plug in your laptop. Power it on and listen for the new fan. It should be operating quietly and efficiently, helping to keep your laptop cool during use. For those who prefer convenience, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier than ever to get your laptop serviced. No calls, no travel, just a simple and effective solution. Finally, if you're considering a professional service, we always provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions without surprises. Regular maintenance, such as fan replacement, is essential for prolonging the life of your laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.